Welcome to Foggy edition of What's in My Bag. So today we're in Magic Kingdom and I'm going to show you what I have in my Loungefly bag this morning. So normally there's a phone, the gimbal, a second phone, which I had in my pocket but fits in my bag. Okay, so I'm going to unzip and let's go that way. I did just buy something in the store. So I have my purchase, charger, wipes, pen, wallet, another battery, okay, hold on, sunscreen, $35 and $50 fuel rod, hair tie, where's my pen? Donald pen. Hold on, we gotta go to the front. Okay. So this front is not that big, but I have a lot in here. I have more sunscreen, another cord. I have a lot of chapstick. It keeps all like accumulating in my bags. Like lipstick and another cord. There you go. That's what's in my bag. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. Is there anything else? Well, that's it. That's what fits in my Loungefly. So if you're ever wondering how big these bags are and what they can hold, all of this stuff. Have a wonderful day and I will see y'all next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.